Nice, I love it. Welcome back to Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's amazing. Anyway guys, what we're going to do, I'm going to make your mango, and this is going to be mango and ginger smoothie. As you can see what I'm doing right here. Alright, that's the best way to remove the mango. Alright. Yeah. I'm gonna put it in my smoothie. I love mango. Mango is really, really nice. Really, really nice. Nice one. And let's just use a small knife if you're gonna do this at home, alright guys? Please. And just break it over like this. As you can see, that looking lovely. Nice and lovely. So another simple scrape out this one. As you can see, I love mango. So I'm using a spoon. Really nice. Ginger is a must. Let's remove the skin from the ginger. And some lemon. Roughly about half of a lemon. Squeeze that inside of it. Nice one. A little bit of water. Not too much water. Okay, I use some honey. Or for about 2 tablespoons of honey. Because mango is sweet. Let's blend this about 3 to 4 seconds. If you have a good ninja blender. Nice and lovely. Doesn't take long. Very easy and simple. And all they're gonna do is this. Honestly, very, very easy. If it doesn't mind, get a piece of lemon. Awesome. Good to go. That's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about right here. So finish. Turn off the stove. Turn off your blender, and you're good to go. That's it, guys. As you can see, exactly how I did this, so easy and simple to make at home. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. This is the Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We got a lot more recipe will be coming for you, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.